The idea for PAO emerged early 2013. Seeing the rise of APIs, mostly REST, there was no good human interface to interact with them. We wanted to build the perfect tool to send API requests, inspect responses, and then iterate on your project. In 2016, we introduced PAO Cloud, an entirely new way to work with APIs as a team. Backend engineers were able to test their endpoints in PAO as they were implementing the server code, and then send the thing to product owners and tech leads for their review. They were then adding comments and API descriptions to the project. Then the entire thing was sent to front-end teams so they can play around the API before they start implementing the client code. But since then, APIs have evolved. We've seen the rise of GraphQL, description formats such as OpenAPI, as well as API marketplaces. But technology powering applications has also evolved. Web apps used to be sluggish and impractical, and compatibility issues across web browsers was a problem. Today we know that we can deliver through web technologies the same high-quality user experience and the performance levels that PAO has as a native macOS application.
Switching from a native Mac application to a cross-platform web-based app, we had to rethink how users would interact with our product and conceptualize new UI patterns. We wanted to keep the colors that present our brand, preserve the layouts that users are familiar with, while giving ourselves permission to rethink the other aspects of our application. We built from the ground up new component library that fits the needs of our product. Each component pattern template has been carefully crafted. Most of them have undergone usability tests.
But great design isn't the only thing that makes PAO so different. We brought to the web the same features that you already loved on the Mac. Dynamic values that allow powerful setups, and extensions that make PAO limitless. We're excited to introduce a whole new dimension to PAO Cloud. A tool that not only lets teams work together, but opens your APIs to the world. That makes APIs easy to share, and that lets everyone in your team stay in sync with each iteration of your API.